Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from Kraken to your bank account in 2025. If you're looking to cash out your crypto profits or just move funds around, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and stress-free. Kraken is one of the most reliable exchanges out there, and with 2025's updated features, transfers are faster and more secure than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Kraken account. If you haven't already, go to the Kraken website or app and enter your credentials. For extra security in 2025, enable two-factor authentication. It's a game changer for protecting your assets. Once you're in, head over to the Withdraw section, usually found in the Wallet or Funds area. Here, you'll see options for different currencies. Select the fiat currency you want to withdraw, like USD or EUR. Remember, if your funds are in crypto, you might need to convert them first through Kraken's trading interface. It's quick and easy. Next, enter your bank details. This is crucial, so double-check everything. In 2025, Kraken has integrated seamless bank verification tools, which might involve linking your account directly or using a verification code sent to your bank. Be aware of any withdrawal limits based on your account verification level. Basic accounts might have caps, so consider upgrading for higher amounts. After that, review the transaction details, including fees and estimated processing time. Kraken's fees are competitive, but they can vary, so keep an eye on that. Hit confirm, and you're good to go. The transfer typically takes 1 to 5 business days, depending on your bank and location. A few quick tips to avoid hiccups. Always withdraw to a bank account in your name to prevent issues, and monitor your email for any confirmation or security alerts. If you're in a region with regulations, ensure you're compliant. 2025 brings more global standards for crypto transfers. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred money from Kraken to your bank account. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there and happy trading. Thanks for watching.